Okay, let's start up everybody, because everyone will keep joining as and when they're able to. What we have first thing is that I would like everybody to let you all know that detailed assessment is basically one of our products from educational initiatives, and we're going to conduct the test as an external assessment from the school's end. Whatever said and done, we will be having all of these tests according to whatever portion has been selected by the school for all the three subjects. So in English, we're going to have unseen passages and poems, of course, along with the grammar and vocabulary concepts which are being selected by the school. Mathematics as well as science, we're going to have the Balbharati, whatever has been, studied till now, and whatever portion has been given to you by your teachers. Okay. So I would like everybody to note down the timetable now that I'm telling you all. 1st of February, everybody. 1st of February, which is a Monday, it's going to be an English test. 1st of February, Monday, English test. Okay, you will be notified about this later on also, but sooner the better, so that you all can start preparing on a weekend also, right? 1st of February, Monday, English paper. 3rd of February, which is a Wednesday, 1 day's gap, everybody. 3rd of February, Wednesday, you all are going to have mathematics test. 3rd of February, Monday, Wednesday, you're going to have mathematics test. And last but not the least, 5th of February, which is a Friday. 5th of February, which is a Friday, you're going to have your science test. We're going to test, we're going to have three tests, three subject tests only as of now: English, maths, and science. Okay. Now, one common thing, everybody, is that the timing is going to be common for everybody. Okay, timing is going to be the same for everybody. We're trying to see if we can keep it in the evening, so that if your parents are also there to help you out, maybe it will be helpful for you. Another very important thing is, students, we're going to have 50 questions in each and every test. Okay, I repeat, 50 questions in each and every test. So if I'm saying that English is going to have 50 questions, mathematics and science are also going to have 50 questions. Since I'm talking about 50 questions, let me tell you that all of these questions are going to be multiple choice questions. You do not have to write any subjective answers, okay, for these test series. Whenever detailed assessments test is scheduled, at least for this academic year, I mean till the academic year ends, you will be having all the tests multiple choice questions, okay? Even if they're multiple choice questions, I'm assuming that for mathematics and science, you will require more time, and so for English also. So we are probably going to do a 90 minutes test, which means 1.5 hours for you to check whether, you can give all the 50 questions answers. Okay. So please prepare yourself accordingly. It could be 1 hour to 90 minutes, whatever is feasible for the school as well as for you. Yes. So far, so good, everybody. Has everybody understood the timetable? 1st to 5th of February, English, mathematics, and science is the flow. 50 questions, probably 1 hour to 1.5 hours time will be given, and most probably in the evening. We are having alternate days is because you don't get exhausted for each and every test. You can prepare in the middle of those days, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all how do I give a reactions button to something which I say. Okay. I'm going to click on reactions button and give a thumbs up to if I've understood. I would like everybody to give me a reaction if you all have understood what I said. Thank you, Ashley, Hiral, Ved, Akshara. Okay, Mansi, thank you so much, everybody. Okay, great. So now coming to the test conduction process, everybody, how do we conduct the test? Okay, I'm going to share my screen over here. If you all would like to take down notes or else take screenshots, it would be better. Okay, anything's okay as long as you all are comfortable. So this is the page that I'm showing everybody. This particular page is something which has a URL called test.detailedassessment.com. Okay, we're going to share this URL with the teachers, and the teachers are going to show you this particular URL for the exam. What you have to do is, whichever device you're using, I would prefer either laptops, tablets, or else computers. The reason is because you have a bigger screen. The questions are visible properly. Okay. And having a mobile phone probably may be a little problematic when it comes to English questions. You're going to have passages and poems also, and you may or may not be able to see the content properly. And while zooming it in or out, you may click on an answer which you don't want to or don't intend to. So please try to arrange for either of bigger screens that I've mentioned. Uh, and if at all, if there is no choice and if you're using mobile phones, I would suggest you to use it this way. Okay, which means that in the landscape mode, not in the portrait mode, not a straight one, having a horizontal mode of mobile phones, so that you can see your text, everything clearly on the mobile phone. Okay, and once you get this URL, everybody, what you have to do is go to Google. Okay, and once I type test.etelassessment.com, if I type TES also, the entire URL comes, everybody. That is because I have bookmarked this particular URL on my laptop. So what do? I click on enter, and for bookmarking also, I'm going to show you how to do it. On the right hand side, extreme right hand side, everybody, you all can see that I have, one second, everybody. Yeah, you all can see that I have these three dots which are written over here: customize and control Google Chrome, right? So I click over there, go to bookmarks, and I can click on bookmark this tab. What happens is I don't have to keep searching for this page every time I have a test. Okay, you all are going to have such three tests: three English tests, three mathematics, and three science. So every time you're doing it, you don't have to actually look for the URL and land up on the wrong page. Okay, so test.detailedassessment.com, it's very simple. You don't have to write HTTP or anything of that sort. Everything in small letters, the spelling should be correct. Okay, and you will definitely come to this page. After coming to this page, if you all can see, there are two things required. First is the exam code, and second one is the roll number, everybody. Okay, both of these are numbers which you will be requiring. As you all can see in the bracket, we've written that the exam code is going to be of 6 digits. What does that mean? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Such numbers are going to be there in different combinations, and this exam code is going to be different for class, for subject, and for section. So for example, if I'm talking about, say, a student called Riya Kashyap, I'm able to see her right now on my screen, Riya Kashyap, she's in 8th H, which means high, right? If she has any of her friend who is in global section, Riya, you are going to have a different test code for English, mathematics, and science. And your friend is going to have a different test code for English, math, and science who's in global. Have you all understood, everybody? Test codes are different for all the sections and all the classes and all the subjects. Please do not use anybody else's test code. Otherwise, your test will be started by somebody else. Okay, so you have to be very super careful about that. Second thing is your roll number. This roll number is something which will be shared by detailed assessments team, because as your list was given to us, the roll number is prepared accordingly. So please put your DA roll number and not the roll number which probably you're using in school, because that can be different at times. Okay. Whatever questions everyone has, I would like you all to lower your hand as of now. I will be taking all your questions in the end. Okay. Right now, I'm just going step by step for everybody to understand what we are going to do in the process. So two things y'all are going to require, everybody, for taking the test. Just two things. First is the exam code, which will be shared by 30th or 31st of January. Okay, because 1st of January you're starting, 1st of February you're starting with your test. 2 days earlier or 1 day prior, you will get your test code. Roll number, you will get it in the next week, which means by Tuesday or Wednesday, you should be able to get your roll numbers. Okay, everybody clear with this point? Please give me a thumbs up if everybody is with me till here. Okay, great, fantastic. Thank you. Now, Coming to the test conduction process, everybody, once I put the exam code and the roll number, I will click on this go option. Okay, and I'll show you how it's going to be done now. Once I was here, everybody, and what do I do is I click on go. If you'll see the exam code, it's a 6-digit code, everybody. Roll number can be 1 or 2 digits also, depending on what roll number has been given. Once I click on go, detailed assessment will give me an opportunity to check whether my name is correct or no. Okay. See, if you see over here, everybody, please confirm name below or try another roll number. If student 3 is my correct roll number, what I do is I click on confirm and start test. Okay. If your name is not correct, you need to try another roll number. But I wish that the situation doesn't come up that way and your name is correct. Okay. So you have to be very careful about the exam code as well as what roll number has been given to you by your teacher. Once I click on confirm test, the questions will start coming up. As I already mentioned, all the 50 questions are going to be MCQs, everybody, multiple choice questions. What does that mean? A question will be there having 3 to 4 options, out of which you have to select one option. Okay, this is just a dummy example, everybody. That's why you're able to see 25 questions. It will be having 50 questions. Okay, and how many ever have you answered? You will be able to see how many have you not answered yet. So you will be able to buck up your speed accordingly. Okay, you have to select on any of these bubbles. If you can see against 1, 2, 3, 4, you will have to select one of these. Once you do that, you have to click on next question. Okay, for coming to next questions one by one. Okay, for some reason, if you feel, students, that one particular question is taking too long for me to understand, I'm not really in right now in that frame of mind to answer the question. मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है वो answer. So what do? I go to the next question. I skip that question for now, and I will get an opportunity to check that question later on. How do I do that? If I come to the 50th question, everybody, okay, or any question, and I want to review my test. What does that mean? I'm done writing all the answers and I want to check what have I answered. I want to check my paper basically. That's all. That's something that we all do, right, everybody? We all check our papers before we submit it to the teacher, correct? So we're going to click on review test for reviewing, for seeing, revisiting a paper again. Once we click on review test, we come to this page. This is your response page, everybody. On the left hand side, the red box is prepared, wherein question numbers are given. On the right hand side, your response is recorded. What have you chosen for this particular question? For example, if you have skipped question number 6 or question number 5 for that matter, over here, instead of the options, you will be able to see something called as not answered, which is a clear indication for you to click on the question number. I repeat, to click on the question number, which is written in blue, click on that particular question number. You will again come to the question like this. You will be able to see the question again. Choose your option and go back to review. Instead of review test, there'll be something called as back to review. You will again come to the table page over here, everybody. I repeat once again. On the left hand side, question numbers are given. On the right hand side, answers are given, whatever you have chosen. If at all you want to see any particular question, you have to select on the left hand side and not the right hand side. Left hand side, everybody. You will be able to come to that page, that question paper, that question once again. Okay. And once you're done with all the questions, like you're super sure, now I want to submit my paper, you click on complete test. Okay, you click on this particular page. Once you click here, you will come to this page. Okay, this is a short result that you will be getting immediately. What was your score? Your score will be out of 10, everybody. The overall score comes out of 10. Okay, how many questions have been answered and how many questions were answered by you or answered correctly? All of these two details. Okay, which was your best performing area? Like for example, see over here, if you can see area of a triangle and a parallelogram. This particular topic was the best topic in which I performed the best. Like all the questions of mine were correct. or proper. Okay, that will be my best topic wherein I have performed. Okay, can you all understand? I mean, have you all understood this much, everybody? Mother of Bhumi, 4H Bhumi, I request you to please hold your questions right now. I will be taking up the questions once the session is done. Okay. Okay, everybody, very simple. We will just go through it once again. Put your exam code, roll number, click on go. Once you are done with this, check your name is correct over here or no. Once it is correct, click on confirm and start test. Once you click on start test, click on, confirm and start test, your questions will be, your questions will start coming up. After you're done with this, you have to click on any of the options which is given over here. Since it's a multiple choice question, everybody. You can go to next question with the help of this option that is given. Once you're done with all the 50 questions, review your test. And once you review your test, everybody, just click on any of these question papers, question numbers, to come back to the question which you want to check once again. Once you're done with all the tests, all the questions, just click on complete test. Once you click on complete test, you will be able to see this page. Okay, it's a short report. Once all the tests are done, the school will notify you about the reports. Okay, the school will let you know about the reports. As of now, the test conduction is something which was supposed to be shared with everybody. Report conduction process is something, discussion is something which the school will notify you once they're ready. Okay, so your reports will be very detailed and you will be able to see what all have you done and where all do you need practice, which topics do you need practice with. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask everybody to raise their hands whenever if they have any doubts, and I am going to unmute them one by one and listen to their queries. Okay, yes, please go ahead. Yes, mother of 4H Bhumi. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, dear, I can hear you.
Ma'am, if we don't have laptop or tests, so what do we have to do?
Yes, sweetie. That's what I mentioned. If you do not have it, you just have to keep your mobile phone on this horizontal mode or landscape mode. Do you know that there is something called as auto rotate in the phone? In the settings, there is something called as auto rotate, right? So you have to auto rotate your phone and keep your phone in the landscape mode. So all the questions will be visible to you properly. But you have to be very particular about how to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, be very careful about this because you may end up selecting an option which you don't have to. Okay, have you understood, Bhumi, and everybody else?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Bhumi. It was great talking to you. Yes. Do we have any other participant? Any other participant who would like to interact? Kimaya. Okay. Yes, Kimaya. Yes. Good morning, sweetie. Tell me.
In the test, we need only to click the.
I'm quite not get. Will it be possible for you to repeat the question, dear? I could not really catch your question because there was some network issue.
There is some options, so we need to click the answer.
Yes, you need to click the answer. Correct. Options will be given to you, 3 to 4 options. You have to choose any one of them. And I'll suggest you one more thing, everybody. Just like how you're sitting with the notepad and paper, pen or pencil right now, I'll request you to do that for the test as well, especially for mathematics and science, because even if the questions are multiple choice questions, our question papers are known to be those kind of questions wherein working is required and not just mentally. Okay, so please keep your things ready so that you have your options written at least, and you know, if anything goes south, you can do let us know. Yeah. Are there any you know, questions that you all have, everybody? Would you like to interact with me, know something about the test, conduction, anything? So far so good. Everybody is ready with the test. Okay. I think, you know, what we are going to do is, everybody, on 30th of January, okay, 30th of January, we are, you know, we've kept a small mock test for everybody. Okay, a small mock test wherein you're going to actually give answers of 4 to 5 questions. Everybody is going to have the same question. Okay, but just to practice what kind of a test is it is going to be. Is that understood, everybody? Yeah, everyone is going to have that kind of a test, and we're going to check whether you have understood the test conduction properly or no. 1st February onwards, your actual tests will start. So even if you've not understood right now, I think by 30th of January, things will be clear to you. Okay, please do not worry about it. Probably we will share a small PDF also with you, test conduction process, the one that I showed you just now. Just keep that ready. Just keep that handy. Things will fall into place. Okay. Are there any teachers? Sangeeta ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, can you unmute yourself, Sangeeta ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Great afternoon.
Yes. Great afternoon, ma'am. So, ma'am, I have interacted with all the parents and students. I feel as of now they are ready.
Yes.
And what do you suggest, ma'am? Any suggestions or anything from your end that you would like to tell them?
I think most of the parents have, if they have any issue, any parents have any issue, if you want to speak, can you tell? कोई parents है उनको अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, you can able to wanted to ask the question, you can ask the question.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But this session is for you. If you're not able to understand, so please, if anybody want to ask the question, you can ask this question. Yeah. I think they have understood. They are not giving the answer. Yeah.
No, and Sangeeta ma'am, that's what I mentioned, that on 30th January, I think things will become a little clear when we have the mock test.
Yes.
For the mock test as well, we will notify you the details. So all the details will be shared with you one by one. Don't worry about that as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure.
So can you all give me a thumbs up one last time to make me understand that everybody has understood? Because there are two situations. Either we have understood or we have not understood anything. Fantastic. This is amazing. Thank you, SKCians, for taking out time on a Saturday weekend. I really appreciate your time. And I'm really looking forward to, you know, interacting with you once again. Yes, Margaret ma'am.
Great morning, ma'am. We also have our Joint Director, Loretta ma'am, in this session.
Okay.
Great morning, madam. And great morning, all my dear parents and students. This session was particularly for you as to how to log in the exam. And I think Rushali ma'am has made it very, very clear. And all students have given the thumbs up. So I think it is very clear. So I thank Rushali ma'am on behalf of Team SKC for giving such a wonderful guidance to the students. And I think as we are in this process of test conduction, when we'll have the mock test, then in this process, the doubts will be solved. And if there are any doubts, again, we are there here to solve all your doubts. Thank you, Rushali ma'am.
Thank you, Margaret ma'am. Loretta ma'am, thank you so much for joining the session. Aryan, I'm going to unmute you now. Please tell me.
Great morning, miss. Great morning, miss.
Great morning, sweetie. Great morning. Yeah, please tell me.
मिस जो आपने टाइम टेबल पता है फरवरी 1 ना
February, first week of February.
First week. फर्स्ट वीक है परीक्षा.
First week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Aryan. Okay. Yes. Anybody else? Margaret, ma'am, I'll mention the time as well. The timing is going to be 7 to 8:30 p.m. Everybody. Ma'am, you're on mute.
A
Yes.
second. We might we are not yet fixed the time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
the discussion is going on. The dates you have told, it's okay. The timing we'll let them know.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
And another thing, everybody, we are also trying to have a mock test. One second. There's some problem. Am I audible, everybody? Very sorry. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what I was mentioning is we're going to have a small mock test, having 4 to 5 questions, everybody, on 30th of January, which is at least 1 or 2 days prior to your test, so that everybody is ready with the test taking process. We are in process with that. Whenever the details are fixed, whatever everything is fixed, we will be sharing it with the school, and the school will be sharing it with you. Okay, we will be school will be letting you know the time for the mock test as well, right, ma'am? And since it's just a matter of 5 questions, it won't be so much time consuming, but please note that all the questions are going to be same all across the classes. Okay, it's just going to be a small practice for all of us to know that everybody is on the same page and everybody is understanding what to do and how to do it. Okay, so a mock test is on your way, and 1st February onwards, we are starting with detailed assessments tests, right? And whichever time we choose, everybody, we're going to have enough time for the test since it's a matter of 50 questions. Okay, but please do take a notepad and pen or whatever is comfortable for you when you're giving the test, because all of these tests questions may not be done mentally, especially when it comes to mathematics. You will be requiring some kind of rough work, and probably that will be helpful for you once you're having a discussion with your teachers once the test is done. Okay, are there any questions, everybody, which I can address? Anything that you would like to ask?
Can I say something, ma'am?
Sure, please, ma'am.
Would like to talk to the parents. Is it okay?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay. So dear parents, ये सेशन इसलिए था ताकि जो भी ये टेस्ट कंडक्शन होने वाला है, क्योंकि ये ऑनलाइन है, तो कैसे लॉगिन करना है, कैसे लॉगिन करना है, उसको लेके था, मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर को लेके था, क्योंकि हमने एग्जाम जो दिया था वो क्यूआर कोड पे था, उसके लिए भी हमने बहुत सारे डेमोज दिए थे. So that's why this session specially is conducted for that.
Test conduction, everybody, but because right now our focus is test conduction and not anything else. I want to see again the thumbs up of all the students, whoever has not asked me a question, so that I am sure that students have understood. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Aniket, Adiba, Divyajot, Aniket, Ankit, Naman, Vedant, Chetan, okay, Divyesh, Saksham, Jagrati. Okay, great. So I think everybody is on the same page. Margaret, ma'am, what do you think?
Yes, I think they have understood. You have explained it so very well.
No, I think it's their understanding. I think kids are, very attentive, I would say. And on a weekend, they are spending their time to know about it. It's very appreciative of them. Thank you so much for joining, everybody. Margaret, ma'am, shall we call it a session? If they do not have any doubts as of now.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to thank you again from SKC for such a wonderful guidance and for such a detailed explanation as to how to log in. Thank you so much. And parents, I suppose you are very, very clear about how to log in for the test conduction process. Again, we'll have a mock test, and then as and when you have doubts, it will be cleared. Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Hope to see you all in the test. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for joining.